In the modern world today, the most important thing considered is education. Higher the education, better job opportunities. I just don't understand. I have seen a lot of students who have pursued higher education but still have got grave tension on their faces. Don't you think it's important to acquire a good job and be happy in life? Staying happy in life is the most important virtue of life. It's worth giving a thought. This situation should be verified. Now the question remains, how should we go about it? The answer is very simple.
Such is the energy and enthusiasm. You know what? This energy and enthusiasm should be permanent, and it's possible to keep it that way. These students study at that institute which guides them and make sure that none of the students are misled at any point of time. What are the most important traits of an institute? Its legitimate education system and appropriate guidance. These are the most important traits. Now let's take a closer look at what is MZOS and what you get to learn over here. But before that, we need to check. Before taking any decision, we need to check first. I do so. Just don't believe me because I'm saying it. Check for yourself, because I'm going to go there and check what MZOS has to offer. I may also ask a few students about their experiences at MZOS. So you'll know soon. Follow me.
Good morning all, honored judges, our honored guests. Thank you students for such beautiful participation in large numbers. We are here gathered for all the MZOS alumni and HR meet today. So we'll just move on with the event. Before that, I would like Mr. Satish Kare sir to just give you a brief about all the guests also and all of you also. What is MZOS and what MZOS looks for, what the aim of MZOS. So please, Kare sir.
As far as MZOS is concerned, we started way back in 2003 and in a facility near Kagre Road statue, at Shivaji statue. And in 2012 we started this facility, understanding the requirement of the industry. Because when a person like you goes into an industry, you should get accustomed to that same kind of atmosphere. That's why we built this atmosphere.
What do the industry or you look for, or what do you expect from these employees?
It is very important to be conceptually clear, because when you put to a client discussion, or when you're chosen to be a part of a very critical team, it's important that you have an overall understanding of the subject than just the tool.
You need to understand exactly what your thinking pattern is, right? And that is most important.
What you have learned is a base. It gives you a good base to think of. It gives you a base to adapt or think differently, but you have to keep doing things differently in a sensible manner.
Every student should be continuously upgraded. He should be upgraded himself. So how to go about that?
Answer to this question is it's in your pocket itself. You just pick up the phone, you log on to the internet, read. Constant reading, constant understanding things will help you to look at things differently.
What are the few emerging technologies which they should know or they should look forward to?
Mostly the present scenario I will talk about. SMAC is next. Digital Enterprise Management would be next, right? Which is upcoming. It's ongoing exercise, and we have done a very few implementation in the industries as of now.
What do you think is the future of IT?
The future of IT is very dynamic. We can't predict what it is going to be in next 5 years. Look at the changes, what has happened in the industry. So it's a very dynamic world. We have to look what is coming next and what could be the evolution.
So my only message is, whatever you want to, see yourself 5 years down the line, you have a base of it now and then work accordingly.
चांगले जॉब ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मिळेल. तुम्ही पण या संधीचा लाभ घेऊ शकता आणि त्याच्यासाठी तुम्हाला स्वतःला चांगलं प्रिपेअर करावं लागेल आणि ही संस्था तुम्हाला अतिशय चांगल्या प्रकारचं ट्रेनिंग देते.
Now Smita Barsakar, CEO MZOS, is felicitating Mrs. Medhatai Kulkarni, MLA Kothrood at MZOS. From behalf of MZOS, we thank all the honorable guests who came here and gave valuable guidance to our students. These are the MZOS alumni who are being now felicitated by our HR guests and giving the best wishes to them for their future career. Informative and a very important talk session. We're gonna re-energize and have a lot of fun together. So let's dance, right? So may I have the music, please?
Hello all and welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed the show. I had super fun. You know what? I've become a Zabra fan of MZOS. There are a few Zabra fans waiting for us who are current students as well as ex-students of MZOS. So let's check out what these guys have to say about MZOS. Follow me. As I told you, these are few Zabra fans of MZOS. So I have a question for you guys. Let's start with her. How was your journey while you were studying in MZOS?
My name is Ruchira Mehta. I placed in All State.
Hi, this is Priyanka More from Ratnagiri. I am currently working with Noble Tech PLM.
Hello, I am Anjali Nema and got recently placed in Sintel.
Hello, my name is Digvijay. I got placed in Serene Corporation and I am working on Oracle DBM and MDM service.
My opinion about MZOS is just great. Thank you.
They trained me pretty good, pretty well, and I am thankful for them.
I got a great knowledge which I was expecting and I got more than my expectations. So I thanks MZOS for that.
I am greatly thankful to MZOS so that I can stand here.
So these are the few current students who are studying at MZOS. So let's check what they have to say about MZOS.
Being from electronics background, I was not that much confident about technical, but after joining MZOS, my technical skill improved.
MZOS teaching staff, which teaches very well. They are very helpful in nature. Also, I have made many friends in MZOS, whom I will never forget in my life.
MZOS provide me a very good platform and training just to perform what we learn. I can implement in my real life.
So thank you MZOS.
So thanks MZOS.
Thanks to MZOS.
So now you understand what I was trying to tell you the whole time. Nowadays, good education is not enough, but good education along with appropriate guidance is a necessity. So if you want any guidance or if you feel for a perfect guide, you know where to go. Here at MZOS, we try to convert all the tensions on your face into an everlasting smile. If you have any queries, any questions, any doubts in your mind, feel free to contact MZOS or visit the faculty anytime. Thank you.